In this tutorial, we're going to walk through one of the premium features, which is recording your own voice. From the main screen, you'll see My Sounds in the bottom right corner. Choose it. You'll see Recordings and Imported options on the top. The next section is Search, and once you have built a library of your own sounds, you'll be able to search them here. But you just press the red button to activate the recording option. We'll do Start, Testing, Testing, Testing. Here we go. If I click on the time stamp, I can change it to whatever I want. Testing, we'll call it. And then you'll see there's a menu option on below that, which allows you to classify it across the types and categories. We see the sound types here: action, hit, miss, critical, and fumble, followed by our categories of weapons, more specific weapon options, spells, more specific spell options, Foley, and phrases. We'll throw this one in phrase. Done. Done. I can listen to it. Testing, testing, testing. If I like it, I can save it. So now it's in the Recordings library. If I click on Sound Gallery in the bottom of the screen, it'll take me to the Sound Gallery images. And here, Phrases. If I click on the filter for My Sounds, here it is. Testing, testing, testing. Test is in my phrase gallery. And that is how you create your own sounds for My Sound Delve.